how to post a story on Telegram. You just want to go to your Telegram main chat, and then you click on there is down below on the right hand extreme corner of your screen. Okay, there's that pencil or that icon for pencil. If it's a writing, if it's something going to type, you can click there. But if it's a camera or recorded something, a photo or a video, you click on that camera icon, and then it will take you in your gallery, and then you click any video or a picture, a photo that you'd like to upload or to post. Usually it's, I think, 1 minute or 30 seconds. I'm not so sure, I've forgotten. Yeah, whether it's 1 minute, yeah. Then you can do for 24 hours on Telegram free. But if you want to go Telegram prime you can do 2 days, how many days you want. Yeah, if you go for paid version of Telegram. Okay, all right, and that's it. Then you can edit, you can put what you want to edit here. Sorry, as a caption, and then you click next, and then you choose to share story. You choose who to view the story. Is it everyone or exclude some people? Is it your contacts? And then you can also exclude some people. You can choose close friends. You can choose selected users, allow screenshots, or post to my profile. You can enable that and disable that. Okay, when everything is done, you click on post and make sure your connection is great, and it will just upload in a few seconds, and it will be done, and your story will be live. So as you can see now, your story is live, and then yeah, you can always open and see who has viewed your story, how many people have viewed, and you can always choose to share your story, okay, somewhere else. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.